Hi boys and girls, so this is your skills lesson for today, lesson 14. Please read the I can statement with me. I can review sounds and spellings of vowels. I can practice antonyms. So on your consonant code flip book, you've reviewed many vowel sounds. So I want you to go ahead and I want you to review all of these vowel sounds. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to say a, the power bar is common, hat, voice. I, common, it, voice. Common, pet, voiced. You, kinda common, but voice. Hop, common, voiced. All right, good job. So yesterday we talked about what antonyms are. What is an antonym? Antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning. So I'd like you to go ahead and watch this video about antonyms.
Antonyms. An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. Some examples of antonyms include happy and sad, big and little, wet and dry, up and down, day and night, hot and cold, young and old, in and out, add and subtract, multiply and divide, before and after, even and odd, pass and fail. Many adjectives and adverbs, that is, descriptive words, have antonyms. Many verbs or action words do as well. That is, pairs of words that mean two opposite things, to do or not do something, such as win and lose, wake and sleep, float and sink, ascend and descend, appear and vanish. You get the idea. Sometimes antonyms are completely different words, but sometimes they're just that word with a prefix, or a little part added on at the beginning. Some common prefixes to change a word to an antonym are im, in, un, and dis, dis. Disorder is the antonym of order. Incomplete is the opposite of complete. Unauthorized is the opposite of authorized. Impolite is the antonym of polite. But remember, that doesn't mean that every word that starts with those prefixes is an antonym. We could continue listing antonyms, but instead I think we'll stop. Hey, continue and stop is another set of antonyms. While every word might not have an antonym, antonyms really are everywhere.
Okay, so now you need your workbook page 14.1. So please go pause the video and grab your worksheet 14.1 and a pencil. All right, so this is what you have to do. Over here, they're giving you words. And you see how these words have a number next to them? So what you're going to do is over here is the antonym for each word. So they did the first one for you. The first word is inside. So the antonym for inside is outside. And since inside had the number 1 next to it, that's what you're going to do is put a number 1 next to it. So then you go to number 2, soft. What is the opposite of soft? Bad, long, cold, rounded, hard, subtract, or whisper. Whatever one it is, you put a number 2 in the box. Then go to number 3. What's the opposite of add? Bad, long, cold, rounded, hard, subtract, whisper. Remember to put a number 3 in the box next to the antonym. Number 4 is good. The opposite or the antonym of good, is it bad, long, cold, rounded, hard, subtract, or whisper? Number 5 is short. What is the opposite or the antonym for short? Bad, long, cold, rounded, hard, subtract, whisper. Number 6 is shout. What is the antonym for shout? Bad, long, cold, rounded, hard, subtract, or whisper. Number 7 is pointed. What is the antonym for pointed? Bad, long, cold, rounded, hard, subtract, whisper. And the last one is hot. What is the opposite of hot? Is number 8. Bad, long, cold, rounded, hard, subtract, or whisper. So be sure to fill in the box with the number that goes along with the antonym. And that's all you have to do today. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!